Sanbonani football lovers. Welcome to Sportibong Zikamalambong Nkosi. This is where football and passion meet. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and to click the notification bell so that every time when I upload, you get to be notified. Tango. Today nginiphethele indaba ezibuhlungu makhosi. It seems like we're gonna wait few more days before the verdict is being given, because as things stand for now, there was a meeting that was held to discuss a case available by Bartman, but it seems like it is gonna get delayed again. And logo siyazi ukuthi kuminani ukuthi kuzothatha isikhathi for us ukuthi sibabone labafana abadlala, because we still have a game that we have to play against the Amazulu. So it was going to be a good chance for Velepai ukuthi akwazi ukudlala kusasa, but it seems ngazathi kuzothatha 2 or 3 more days before a verdict has been given. So kuloko nje kukodwa I have to say this ukuthi iyababulala mentally lento lena, and also not mentally and physically, because yesterday I was watching Amajita playing versus France, and one of the players that got a chance to play was Uluk Batman. It wasn't looking good because ungenile, and magangena, it seems like he found it difficult to find the rhythm of how the team was playing, because bekunzima nokutrapper since angenile yonke into beyenzeka nje, bekalose ibhola cheaply, and of which at some point it was costing the team. But we can't blame him solely because the gents, I think, in terms of fitness, they were not on par with the France, because if France was all over us, they were trying by all means to get the goals. Seeing a player like Michal scoring the second goal, and he was getting all the supply from his teammates, and he could have buried Amajita, because he got many chances. But angeke siblame umuntu, because we know ukuthi the standard is different. It's just nje ukuthi it was a bad day for us. But a player like Uluk Batman, yeah, I was the player that didn't impress yesterday because of the reason because the result of not playing regularly will show when it comes to competitiveness such as that one, because bebadlala neintanga zabo, there was no need for him to have nerves. But I believe ukuthi a player of his caliber akusiplay nakanje, is just nje ukuthi akadlale regularly, and lento izom-affect. So this case njengoba iloku delay kanje, it is costing Amajita, because it is asking a lot from them, especially from the physical aspect. Demanda kakhulu, because they are training, but they don't know where does their fate lies. Where does their fate lies? But we have to understand that this thing is a process. So akusi decision nje engathathwa nje overnight. It has to analyze and then babheke all the details that need to be taken, and then they will then issue out a verdict. So we have to be patient before sibabona abadlala, but for as long basalinde verdict, mele nje prepare ukuthi so sebenzisa lama players esinawo, and hopeful ukuthi they're gonna give us the result that we need. So yiyo ke update engiyiphethe lena makhosi, ukuthi hayi nisale nithi uxolisa inhliziyo kancane ngendaba kaVelepai no Bartman kusadelay nje, because this is a process. Let's go to another topic of the day. Excuse me. Amavote aya ngokunyukela. Brendan Peterson is leading in terms of amavote. We're calling Cup lena ezobidlalwa Sunday versus Stellenbosch at Athlone Stadium. It's Stellenbosch versus Kaizer Chiefs. Obviously, la amavote engikhuluma ngawo amavote we Black Label All Stars, the team that is going to play ama-champions we Black Label Calling Cup. So Peterson is leading, and we know what does that mean. Umsebenzi wakhe is being recognized. So obviously still an ongoing thing. Asazongena amanye amavote, but it is a good thing now he's being recognized, because this season he's performing and he's making sure he's a standout performer for Kaizer Chiefs. He played, I think, how many games? 7 league and 2, it's 9 games. So una clean sheet 6 so far. So that tells a lot about his concentration this season. He's trying by all means to be that goalkeeper that we can rely on as a Kaizer Chiefs. As we know, kuzofika amalanga la khona korwa khona, but for now we have to give him the credit that he deserves, especially in the important games. He made sure he stands up big and stamp his authority in those polls. Lokho kukodwa nje kuyasho ukuthi mentally seka focus now, he's strong ukuthi akwazi ukubhekana yonke, because he hasn't made a mistake, of which it is a good thing ukuthi now he has controlled focus ukuthi anotice ukuthi okay, this is how I'm supposed to be when I'm in the goal post. Ngikhohlwe my nerves and focus on making those saves that keep the game, that keep the team in the game. And our final topic, the big one. But Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, and Mamelodi Sundowns have been offered a Brazilian wonder kid. He's a 20-year-old Brazilian wonder kid by the name of Felipe Chikwete. Currently, he's playing for a team called Athletic Paranaense in the youth league of Brazil. He's an attacking midfielder, a very sensational attacking midfielder. He has the kind of flair of Abu Gaston Sereno, of Abu Lucas Ribeiro Costa. He's very short, but he's very athletic. He has aerial prowess as short as he is. He has a vision to find his teammates in the box. I've watched his videos. I can tell he was going to give us a different variation, especially in that attacking midfield position. With his nippiness, he's very quick. He has a positional awareness, and also he plays his primary duties as an attacking midfielder so well, in such a way that he's able to create, he's able to score, he's able to join the attack, and also he has a balance to move with the ball and the skills to eliminate our opponent. So players like that obviously are an asset to any team. And Mautu Tatukbega, considering his age, that he's 20 years of age, that alone tells you about how Kaizer Chiefs could have invested in such a player, especially was going to blend in with the kind of players that we have right now, because most of them, they are youngsters. Mdudu Shabalala, Mfundo Vilakazi, Partman, Velebai. It was going to be him, also another addition. Those youngsters, it was going to be Abu Makati, Abu Hlongwane. It was going to be a team that you can say we were going to plan for the future with them. And he was going to be a perfect replacement for Gaston Sereno when his time at Naturena ends. But Kaizer Chiefs, it couldn't happen because of one reason. It was a deadline day, and on a deadline day, we know it's not easy to finalize a deal, because there's a lot that needs to be considered when making that deal. Melubeg with okay, if it happens with the first offer, ama demands a player, if you don't meet them, if maybe it can happen, which you could be given another time to improve an offer, but it couldn't happen because it was already a deadline day. So simply means there was not enough time to finalize and complete all the necessary details that were needed to be looked up for ukuthi finalize the deal. So it showed ukuthi on this one Kaizer Chiefs bengeke siblame, because also Mamelodi Sundowns had a chance with Bamsign, and those are type of players were Mamelodi Sundowns, and also their business model, because Ban Gonje, who's their sporting director of Flemingberg, loves ukuthi assign players that are young so that they can be able to grow in a team without any pressure of being the established players that will give the performances like Abomshish, Orlando Pirates now, but it couldn't because it was a deadline day, and also now my teams will have their own reasons because they've already bolstered their squad. The Sundowns had to focus Kubo Resino, Nabonono Santos. The Pirates already signed Abo Supumbule and other players. For Kaizer Chiefs, we already signed Chisland, Iten Chislet. We already signed Umaboy. So logo nje usitshela ukuthi okay, maybe it could be another reason, but the main one is le deadline day. Bekungeke vele kube lula ukuthi bayifinalize deal, even though bekuzoba a good acquisition for Kaizer Chiefs, a statement signing for Kaizer Chiefs. But I don't know what do you think about Fethu. This was going to be a good signing. Let's discuss the comment section with the Kaizer Chiefs kahle kahle. beyisephutheni ngokungalisayini le player leli, or vele beyingekho into bebangayenza, and talk about indaba yabo vele ebhayi, because this thing it is affecting abajita, to be honest. It is affecting abajita. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, to subscribe. Danko.